Dear friends, I'm Professor Dr. R.P Singh, did my MSc PhD in mathematics. Today I'm going to make one video which is to make the things simple in finding limits and solving problem of continuity. One simple method is what? Shortcut method is what? L'Hopital rule, which many of you may be knowing. Whenever we are finding limit x tends to a, fx upon gx, and if condition is what? If fa upon ga, that means when we are replacing the value of xa in both numerator and denominator, and it becomes 0 by 0 type or infinity upon infinity type, then we can apply L'Hopital rule. According to L'Hopital, the same limit is what? Limit x tends to a, f dash x upon g dash x. Besides this L'Hopital, there is another shortcut method which I have written on my name, R.P Singh's equivalent function. Now, what is R.P Singh's equivalent function and when can you apply this particular method? When x approaches to 0 is given, then we can apply R.P Singh's equivalent function method. And according to this, sin x is equivalent to tan x is equivalent to e raised to x minus 1 is equivalent to log 1 plus x, and all are equivalent to x. And second is what? Sin square x equivalent to sin x square equivalent to tan square x equivalent to tan x square equivalent to e raised to x square minus 1 equivalent to log 1 plus x square, and all are equivalent to x square. But how it is possible? Try to understand how it is possible. See, for example, when you are finding limit x tends to 0, and the problem is what? Sin square x. Then we can write limit x tends to 0, sin square x upon x square. I have divided by x square, balance it by multiplying by x square. And when we take limit, separate it, sin x upon x, the whole square into limit x tends to 0, and this becomes what? 1 into limit x tends to 0. So finally you are getting limit x tends to 0, x square. This means whenever x is approaching to 0, sin square x is equivalent to what? X square. Number 3, log 1 minus x by 4 will be equivalent to minus x by 4, and so on. Now you have followed, we can replace tan or e raised to x by 4 or x square by 4 minus 1 will be equivalent to what? X square by 4, and so on. For example, suppose you have to find out limit x tends to 0 sine square x into log 1 plus x raised to 4 divided by e raised to x square by 2 minus 1 into 10 raised to 4x. So just now I gave this limit we need to find out. Just now I explained that R.P Singh's equivalence function. According to that, sine x is equivalent to x. So sine square x will be equivalent to x square. Log 1 plus x raised to 4 is equivalent to x raised to 4. X square e raised to x square by 2 minus 1 is equivalent to x square by 2. And 10 raised to 4x is equivalent to x raised to 4. Now x square x raised to 4 will get cancelled, 2 will go up. So final answer of this limit is what? 2. So without balancing in the form of sin x upon x and tan x upon x, log 1 plus x upon x and e raised to x minus 1 upon x, you can apply R.P Singh's equivalence function and you'll get the answer 2.